Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change project access on Asana. So in order to change a project access, you want to go ahead and first click on a project. Then on the upper right hand side, click on share. Here you will find the access. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and change the access to the organization, or let's say to the workspace, or to members only. If you click the drop down here, you can say, for example, to the workspace, and you'll be able to say anyone who have access to this workspace, they can basically view the project or work with the project. Or if you want to set them private to members, it will only be just to the members who you grant access to. Right, so you can go ahead and do that. Alternatively, you can go ahead and see the members who actually have access to the project, and you can either remove them, you can either change their rights to view, to comment, to edit, or even project admin. Right, so you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want to add more people, you can add them to the top right here. If you want to go ahead and remove people from the project, just simply click to the project overview, find the person who is in the project, and you can simply click where they are and simply click remove from the project, and you can remove them from the project. So that's how you can easily go ahead and remove person from project as well. But that's pretty much it, guys.